What if you, like, give it to her, she bite?
Alright, Ryan, who the hell is it? Who is that?
It's no one.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
It's no one.
Who? Give me the phone.
No.
Give me the phone.
No.
Who the hell is that? Crush! Hey, Boo! What? What? Ryan! 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 What?
I gotta use the bathroom.
Come outside! Hey, Boo, what you doing? What? What the hell is this?
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSYX. We will continue to serve the Columbus, Ohio area. If you are not in this area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Columbus, Ohio area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt your programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WSYX. We will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Columbus, Ohio area. If you are not in the Columbus, Ohio area, you should now tune to stations providing news and information to your local area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A national state of emergency has been declared. Several attacks from creatures, best described as zombies, have been reported throughout the United States. States reporting these zombie creatures include Colorado, Illinois, Virginia, Missouri, Georgia, Florida, New York, Texas, Ohio, and Hawaii. Massive damage, destruction, and hysteria have been reported in states with zombies, along with many deaths, injuries, and reanimations into these zombies. These zombie-like creatures were also seen rising from their graves as well. These creatures are attacking the human race. At this time, it is expected that these creatures are expected to spread out in all directions within the next few hours. The intent behind these attacks is currently unstated. If you appear to have gone down with the virus carried by these zombie-like creatures, there is no cure, and it will only be minutes before you die and reanimate into one of these zombies yourself. Once this happens, you will be of harm to those around you, and may contribute to mass destruction and additional crimes against humanity, such as cannibalism and mutilation of uninfected victims. To avoid potential effects, all residents must follow these instructions. Stay away from these zombies. Get into a secure building that contains few doors and windows. Barricade your shelter with heavy objects such as boards and furniture. Turn off heating and cooling systems, and seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels, as the virus responsible for these reanimations can spread through the air. Gather supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, an efficient form of self-defense, and a battery-powered radio with the backlight forced off. Do not use electronic devices with lights or high auditory transmission levels, as you are bound to encounter dozens of these zombie-like creatures, and will put you at serious risk of becoming infected. Do not go outside. If you do so, you will become one of these creatures, just by inhaling the virus through airborne contact. Stay tuned for updates as the situation develops. The President, Vice President, the designated survivor, and any other necessary officials in the presidential line of succession are being moved to a safe and classified location. The President will speak on all stations upon his arrival. Please stand by for a message from the United States government.